Hi guys, this is Babak Farhang, and in this part I'm going to install Ubuntu server on virtual machine for Linux lab because this part is not the end of our scenario. First thing first, fire up your browser and head to ubuntu.com/download, and then select the server and push Ubuntu server button, and then download the LTS 24.04 ISO file. It's around 4 gigabyte. So give it time to download. Then go to the vmware.com or an alternative like the techspot.com/download to download VMware Workstation last version for your lab. Launching virtual machine and creating VM. Uh, uh, for this matter, press the new button and then by default go on and browse your ISO file. Where's your ISO file actually? So then select it and then next and give it a name to your virtual machine. Here we select the log server and so go on and leave actually location because it's default and change the maximum disk size to 50 and leave the another default and then click the next. So we have here some information like the location, version, OS name, HDD memory, network adapter, that is a NAT, and the CPU, and etc. Then click finish. Boom, your blank canvas is born. So for the next step, actually, we need you to wait to Ubuntu server starts. You can see here system start and it's going to install the needed packages. So after this part actually, because here is actually starts some installation actually packages and the another dependencies here. So after this part, you will see this part for selecting language. By default is English, and leave this page because there's no anything to change here. And the next page here you can see the DHCP give IP address to this machine. So leave the proxy and the mirror address here and press continue. So go on and I leave these part and actually the next one for partitioning because there's no any there's no needed to any changes here. So press continue to start. You should give your name here, server name, and pick a username, a power user for enter for to the your OS, and choose a strong and password and confirm it. Then press done to continue. So after pressing done, you should leave default here. Only install OpenSSH by pressing the space bar and leave these packages and information here. It maybe takes some times to install all packages and dependencies here. So and it depends on your internet internet connection actually, and if it fast, so it finish very soon. and maybe take some times if it's not very fast. So it depends on your internet connection, as I mentioned before. So we wait to finish this part, because after this part we can reboot the system and then enter our new OS. So we have to wait to finish this part, and then we can enter inside the new version of our Linux Ubuntu server. Installation done? Not yet. So I suppose it's a very, this soon it will be finished. So it's security update. Yeah, boom. Installation finished, and we can reboot the system for entering. Here we have to escape or unattach CD-ROM and enter and press enter to continue and boot the system. This is the first time to going inside our Linux-based system. So after rebooting, you will be faced by user login and password prompts that you have already set. Enter your user and password to log in inside your Ubuntu server. After that, open enter the sudo apt update, and you can, for full upgrade, you can use the sudo apt upgrade -y to upgrade your system and all packages and dependencies update. But we don't do that for this part, and we go on. So then it's ready to go to the next part.